What's going on?
Okay. Not much. Just dreaming about catfish.
So,
You like catfish?
oh yeah, I fucking love catfish.
Yeah.
It's actually really hard on my voice. I can't do that. Like I get my voice is like
run.
This is my running sound.
He's coming. Oh my god, my heart's gonna pound out my chest.
Don't do it in front of me. I'll vomit.
See you later, guys. Don't die. Good luck.
This is awkward.
Anyways, what about catfish?
Do you like a noise gate on your mic? Because it just sounds like.
No, I was doing that on purpose.
Oh, you fucking asshole.
Oh god, are you guys the one making those sewer noises?
Sewer noises? Those are our voices, Jaden. People pay
Yeah,
good
people-
subscriptions to. Oh
Dude,
no!
Of all the people over there, why me? I'm a good lad. Hey, Jonas. I do my tasks. I make the jokes, and then I'm dead every time. 4, then 5. I know 6 comes after that, and then 7. 10 is last. Oh, thank God. Fuck.